Time for crypto market update, February 25th, 2026. Lots happening. Bookmark this for later, share it with a friend, and give me a like and a follow. Oh, and if you find this video helpful, give me a number 2 in the comments. Well, in advance of the State of the Union last night, before Trump ever took the stage in Congress, crypto started bouncing off of really important trend lines. And at the time of this recording, the Kospi, maybe you've never heard of the Kospi, this is the Korean stock market, is at new all-time highs. Now, why am I talking about the Korean stock market when this is a crypto channel? Because international markets are considered speculative compared to Wall Street. This is a great example, along with other international stock markets, of where the global risk-on appetite is still strong and present. There's just simply been an extended period of time, specifically when it comes to quantitative tightening, and the copper-gold ratio, which we've discussed in depth, has been in its longest downtrend ever. And, well, no ratio goes down forever. When we see a rebound, anytime we see a rebound, we get a massive crypto rally in response. Why? What does copper have to do with crypto? What does the Kospi have to do with crypto? Well, they're risk-on signals. Now, this chart's interesting. Some are even arguing that Bitcoin's been in a bear market for 23 months. This chart shows from the first all-time high of a new cycle to 23 months later is usually the bottom of a Bitcoin bear market. Now, that sounds crazy considering we had a new all-time high in October of 2025. But it just goes to show you how numbers, charts, timing, cycles can be a little bit of a house of mirrors, and the market loves to chew people up and spit them out. And possibly one of the biggest stories that your normie neighbor friends will not know to talk about in the crypto world is that there's a massive lawsuit happening. We talked about this yesterday in the market update against Jane Street, one of the largest high-frequency traders on the planet. And as soon as that lawsuit came out, the next day, we've been having this what we call 10 a.m. dump, this motivated seller, this campaign selling by an institution. And the 10 a.m. slam didn't happen. As a matter of fact, throughout the day, crypto and the Bitcoin market continued to drift upward, moving into the State of the Union address. Even until now, when I'm recording this video, altcoins are showing incredible strength. And there were rumors that memos were sent through that agency and others to the manipulation traders who tend to dump the market makers, to flush out leverage in order to greedily kind of do the hungry hippo version of gobbling up liquidity for spot buying and selling moving forward. That memo apparently was to tell them to cease doing what they've been doing because they now know they're under the ire of a lawsuit and potential DOJ action. So let's see if this was the boot on the neck of the crypto market all along. But remember, don't wait for the market that you wish for. Skill up, become the better version of yourself. Make money with the market that the market gives you. Everyday ordinary people are doing it, and you can too. There are DeFi rewards available every day, every week, every month, no matter what the market's doing. Maybe you've invested quite a lot of money in crypto in the last few years. Maybe you believe in it, and maybe you're just sitting on it. Maybe it feels unproductive. Maybe you have goals, but you believe in crypto, but you don't have a deeper understanding of what you're doing. That's a real human thing. If that sounds like what you're thinking about, maybe you're a retiree, pre-retiree, maybe you're trying to pad the stats for retirement, maybe you're a business owner, maybe you invest in other asset classes, or like I said, maybe you've got a lot of money in crypto, but you just don't know how to wield the sword quite as efficiently as you wish. Go to cryptoyall.com, hit the big orange button, and watch my 12-minute overview video. You'll be glad you did. And if you like what you see, you can schedule a private call with me on a Zoom video call, 1-to-1. And remember, if you found this video helpful, give me a number 2 in the comments and share it with a friend. Like and follow for more.